How I made $1,000 with a simple online business working from home. Imagine turning your passion into profit while never leaving the comfort of your couch. Picture this: you wake up, grab a cup of coffee, check your email and realize you just made $1,000, all while you were sleeping. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not, and today, I'm spilling the secrets. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover rare and unique online business ideas that can transform your financial future. Digital Collectible Design Studio, NFTs or non-fungible tokens, took the world by storm, but not everyone has the skills to create jaw-dropping designs. Here's where you come in. Start a service designing custom NFTs for collectors and businesses. How it works: learn basic graphic design or partner with a designer. Use platforms like OpenSea to help clients mint their creations. Potential profit $2,000 to $10,000 per month depending on your clients. Why it's unique: you're capitalizing on a digital gold rush with creative expertise. In-depth steps. Begin by learning NFT fundamentals. Watch free online tutorials or take a short course on blockchain technology. Use accessible tools like Figma or Blender to design, and promote your services on platforms like Fiverr or LinkedIn. AI-powered resume building. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you can create personalized, professional resumes that outshine generic templates. How it works: use AI to craft compelling resumes, tailoring each to specific industries. Offer add-ons like LinkedIn profile optimization. Potential profit $1,500 to $5,000 per month. Why it's unique: people are willing to invest in their career growth, especially with a personalized touch. Success story: a resume building agency using AI landed a $5,000 contract from a tech company to optimize resumes for all their interns. You can start small and scale up like this. Luxury subscription boxes. Combine curation with exclusivity by offering niche luxury subscription boxes. Think rare teas, artisanal chocolates, or handcrafted candles. How it works: source unique products and build partnerships with local artisans. Create an unboxing experience that wows. Potential profit $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Why it's unique: people love feeling special, and your curated experience delivers exactly that. Detailed example: start by researching a niche you're passionate about. If it's tea, for instance, reach out to small batch tea growers globally, negotiate prices, and build relationships. Launch with pre-orders to cover upfront costs. Online escape room experiences. With remote work still trending, team-building activities are in demand. Create virtual escape rooms tailored to corporate clients or families. How it works: design interactive puzzles and host games via platforms like Zoom. Use affordable software like Google Slides for visuals. Potential profit $2,000 to $6,000 per month. Why it's unique: you're offering a creative solution for a growing need. Connection in a remote world. Extra tip: use feedback to improve your rooms. An escape room business saw its profits double after incorporating player suggestions for better puzzles and themes. Micro-influencer coaching. Many aspiring influencers struggle to grow. Become their guide by offering coaching on branding, content strategies, and monetization. How it works: share insights from your own journey or research influencer marketing strategies. Offer one-on-one sessions or group classes. Potential profit $1,000 to $7,000 per month. Why it's unique: you're targeting a niche eager to learn but often overlooked. Pro tip: create mini courses that clients can buy upfront, saving you time while still delivering value. Hyperlocal SEO services. Small businesses need online visibility to compete. Offer specialized SEO services focusing on local markets. Here's how it works: use tools like Ahrefs and Google My Business to optimize clients' web presence. The potential profit $2,500 to $9,000 per month. Why it's unique: local SEO is often ignored by big agencies, giving you a niche to dominate. And here's an added bonus: success stories help. Showcase how you improved search rankings for a local bakery and watch more clients roll in. Custom digital journals. Create and sell beautiful, customizable digital journals for productivity enthusiasts and bullet journal fans. Here's how it works: use tools like Canva or Affinity Designer to create templates. Sell on Etsy or your own website. Potential profit $1,000 to $4,000 per month. Why it's unique: digital journaling is growing, but there's room for creative niches like wellness or entrepreneurship themes. Here's an idea: boost. Pair your journals with video tutorials on journaling techniques to create additional value. DIY ebook publishing services. Help aspiring authors self-publish their books. Offer editing, formatting, and cover design services. Here's how it works: create a one-stop shop for publishing needs. Outsource tasks to freelancers if needed. Potential profit $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Why it's unique: the ebook market is booming, and you're providing a done-for-you service. Here's an expansion tip: consider creating a YouTube channel sharing self-publishing tips to attract leads. Rare skill webinars. Monetize your unique skills by teaching them through webinars. Think speed reading, memory techniques, or niche coding skills. How it works: host live or recorded sessions and charge attendees. Use platforms like Zoom or Teachable. Potential profit: $1,500 to $5,000 per month. Why it's unique? You're tapping into underrepresented interests with high demand. Example: a webinar on speed reading techniques attracted over 500 participants at $20 each. That's $10,000 in one weekend. AI Content Repurposing Agency. Help businesses turn one piece of content into multiple formats like blogs, social posts, and videos using AI tools. How it works? Use tools like Jasper or Descript to repurpose content quickly. Offer packages for efficiency. Potential profit: $2,000 to $8,000 per month. Why it's unique? You're leveraging AI to provide a valuable time-saving service. Pro tip: start with a portfolio of your own repurposed content to showcase your skills. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.